Is ShaperLuv the inclusive fashion revolution it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed scam waiting to catch unsuspecting shoppers? That's the big question we're tackling today. At first glance, ShaperLuv.com presents itself as a breath of fresh air in the men's fashion space, promising stylish, body-positive clothing for men of all shapes and sizes. It's a message that feels long overdue in the industry, and it's easy to want to support a brand that promotes confidence and inclusivity. But when we dug deeper, things didn't line up quite as nicely. The website itself has a sleek, professional design that gives off a strong first impression. But don't let the aesthetics fool you. The domain is relatively new, with a limited online history that makes it hard to verify the company's track record or trustworthiness. Their social media pages are oddly quiet for a brand with such a bold niche and low engagement, repetitive content, and almost no interaction with customers, which raises some real questions about their authenticity and community connection. When it comes to reviews, the contrast is even more concerning. On ShaperLuv's own site, customer feedback is overwhelmingly positive, almost too perfect, with glowing praise that reads like it was written by a marketing team rather than real buyers. But when we turn to third-party platforms like Trustpilot, a very different picture emerged. Multiple users reported issues ranging from poor material quality and incorrect sizing to shipping delays that stretched for weeks or even months. Perhaps most troubling are the refund and return complaints. Many buyers said they never got a response from customer service, let alone their money back. These are not just isolated incidents. They form a pattern that's hard to ignore. We also noticed some classic red flag tactics, urgency messages like, "Only a few items left," and claims of handmade craftsmanship that don't hold up when you compare the products to generic versions found on other sites. There's nothing wrong with promoting body positivity. In fact, more brands should be doing it, but using that message to mask shady business practices is something we should all watch out for. So, is ShaperLuv the real deal, or just another scam dressed in a feel-good message? Honestly, the results are mixed, and while it might not be a total scam, it's definitely not a site we'd recommend shopping from without doing some serious research first.